Hey guys, how you doing? So here I have a review and a trick, I would say a modification to the MC500 Boss Rebel um, outdoor all-weather speakers. Pretty nice speakers. They look pretty good. Come in real sturdy metal. So the only issue I had with this unit was turning it on and off. So as you guys might know or might have read, or if you're planning on getting one of these, you need to hold down the power switch for 3 seconds in order for the unit to start. Even if you hook it up, just like I have, I'm simulating I'm having it hooked up directly to my motorcycle battery. And of course, it's just coming off I just have a 12-volt battery. So I am just simulating this. So say I'm starting my motorcycle, getting it on. Let's see. All right, so the cable's undone. I'm hooking it back up. And I want to listen to whatever I have hooked up now. It is an MC500, so it doesn't come Bluetooth. The 400 is Bluetooth. The 500 comes with an aux cable. It does have an FM stereo on it, a USB port, and an SD card port. So, say I'm on my motorcycle now. Now, in order to turn it on, I'm going to have to reach wherever I have this unit. I'm going to have to reach to it and physically press the button on there to turn it on for 3 seconds. And now you see my aux light came on. And now my speakers are on, right? There you go. I have it on my... So that's pretty uncomfortable every time you have to do that. So what I did here, let's see if we can get this on there. Let's see. I might be able to get somewhat of a view. There we go. Okay, so I extended the power wire, or the power button, I must say. This button here, I found with my meter. I metered which 2 terminals closed the loop, or what I was getting, and what I found is that all you need is a short. It's a short to activate power on it. Let me turn it off. Okay, there we go. We turned it off. So all you need to do is a short between the top terminal here of the button and the bottom terminal. There's 4. 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. You're going to use the 2 terminals on the side closest to the screen. So I soldered a piece of wire there, which I have the ends to them right here. So now my plan is on extending these wires even further and possibly finding a small switch on the frame somewhere close to the handlebars. And all I need to do now in order to activate this is a short. You see, I shorted the unit and it comes on just by touching these wires together. And of course later I will be attaching a switch. I will make another video and show you guys where I plan on putting it. But that's it. Basically just extending this switch, running the wire through the case there. I'm using 2 conductor or any type of wire. This is 22 gauge stranded wire. It worked pretty well with soldering it on there. I just used a small butane soldering torch, and it worked. Worked out pretty good. So there you have it, guys. Here, if you short this, hold it on, unit turns off. I short this again, unit turns on. Oh, you gotta have the short for 3 seconds. There you go. So that's a little hack. That's a little review. I'll put the box, I'll put everything back together now. It's pretty easy to remove. Pretty basic. Got 4 screws on the top, on this one of the sides, another 4 screws there. Take the covers off, and the unit just slides out.